Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys my room, give you guys a little room tour and show you how I organize my space. And I'm also going to be showing you guys the common areas that are shared within residences. So let me tell you guys a few things beforehand. I live in townhouses on SFU Residences. There's 4 roommates including yourself. The house is kind of like an actual townhouse, so it has all the shared things that a normal house would have. On the first floor, there's like a hallway, a little entrance area with places to put your shoes and your coats. But then there's also a living area with 2 couches, and if you have like a projector or like a small TV, you can put it in that area as well. There's like this table area, there's 4 chairs, and then there's also kind of like a little window almost that you can see who's coming down the stairs. And then right across from that there's a kitchen, and in the kitchen it comes with a fridge, microwave, and a stove. So basically everything you need to kind of do your basic cooking. We share all of our pots and pans, but we don't have to buy them ourselves. There's also like a fan, so if there's steam or a little bit of smoke coming from the things that you're cooking, you can just turn it on. So a bonus little pantry area over here. So if you have extra canned food or just other storage, you can definitely put it there. And then once you go up the stairs, there's 2 more floors. The first floor is 2 bedrooms and 1 washroom. And then the 3rd floor is basically the same, but it has a storage cabinet, as well as one of the rooms has a balcony. So you might be wondering, where do you do your laundry? So the laundry is conveniently in the same complex. Your laundry room would be in the same building that your house is in. Basically only have to walk anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds to get there. In my townhouse complex, there's 2 washers and 4 dryers. So I'm assuming it's the same for the other ones as well. And you'll need a code to get into the rooms. There's also a common shared space between all of the townhouse residents. It's just up across from the townhouses, really close to PJ. It's a great place to study, hang out with your friends. The shuttle bus stops right in front of my house. So sometimes I'm a little bit lazy to walk all the way to Cornerstone or the AQ. So I'll literally just take the shuttle bus, and it takes 3 minutes to get all the way there. At Cornerstone, there's a sushi place, A&W, Tim Hortons, Starbucks, Nesters, where you can get groceries. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys around residences. Bye!